Welcome to the HBApp Learning Center. In today's lesson, we'll dive into timeline expectations for different build types. Whether you're a homeowner, owner-builder, or architect superintendent, understanding project timelines is crucial for success. Let's get started. Before we look at specific timelines, it's important to understand what influences them. Project size and complexity, weather conditions, and the permitting process all play significant roles. For instance, a large custom home will naturally take longer than a simple renovation. Now, let's break down typical timelines for different types of builds. For custom homes, you are looking at a total duration of 14 to 21 months. This includes 3 to 6 months for design, 2 to 3 months for permitting, and 9 to 12 months for construction. Spec homes, on the other hand, move faster. The entire process usually takes 6 to 11 months, with 1 to 2 months for planning, 1 to 2 months for permitting, and 4 to 7 months for construction. Renovations and extensions vary widely based on scope. Small projects might take just 4 months, while larger ones could stretch to 10 months or more. Let's take a closer look at each phase. The design phase is where your vision takes shape. It involves consultations, creating architectural drawings, and finalizing plans. Next comes the permitting phase, where you secure the necessary approvals. This can be time-consuming, so start early. The construction phase is where the magic happens. It begins with site preparation and foundation work, moves through framing and roofing, then onto interior and exterior finishes. Each step builds on the last, so delays can have a cascading effect. Speaking of delays, let's discuss some common ones and how to mitigate them. Supply chain issues can be a major headache. To avoid these, order materials early and consider having backup suppliers. Labor shortages can also cause delays. Build strong relationships with your contractors and consider cross-training workers where possible. Unexpected site conditions can throw a wrench in your plans. Conduct thorough site assessments before breaking ground to minimize surprises. Design changes can significantly impact your timeline. For example, adding a skylight after framing is complete could delay your project by weeks. To manage this, try to finalize designs early and set a cutoff point for major changes. Always assess the impact of a change before approving it. In the world of construction, flexibility is key. Build in a contingency buffer of 10 to 15% to your timeline. This gives you breathing room for unexpected challenges. Be prepared to adjust plans on the fly. If roofing materials are delayed, for instance, you might shift focus to interior work to keep things moving. Scenario planning is also crucial. Anticipate potential issues and have plans in place to address them. This proactive approach can save you time and stress down the line. As we've seen, managing timelines in home building projects can be complex. Let's recap our key takeaways. Remember, while it's important to have a clear timeline, flexibility is key. With proper planning, clear communication, and the right tools, you can successfully navigate the challenges of home building. Thanks for joining us in the HBApp Learning Center. In our next lesson, we'll dive into common pitfalls and how to avoid them. See you then.